Hello, welcome to English for Everyone, where we practice real-life American English. Today we're talking about pronunciation, specifically the pronunciation of how to. Remember, we need how to with the action know. I know how to. But when people talk, they don't pronounce it the same. They pronounce it hada, hada. Not how, but ha, ha, hada. The T changes to a D sound, da-da-da, a fast D. Hada. Example, I know how to drive. I know how to drive. Do you know how to drive? That's right, the pronunciation is very different when we link the words and speak at a normal speed. I know how to drive. I was talking to my student yesterday and I said, "Who taught you how to cook?" And she didn't understand me. So let's look at the question. My question was, who taught you how to cook? Who taught you, teach in the present, taught in the past. When you link the words taught you, you hear the ch sound. Taught you, taught you. Who taught you? Not how to, but how to. Who taught you how to cook? How to cook. So the to sounds like d, how to, d, how to. Who taught you how to cook? Let's practice. My mother taught me how to cook. Who taught you how to cook? Very good. So we use how to with the action know. I know how to drive. I know how to cook. Let's practice. Do you know how to cook? Very good. So how to is necessary with the action know. I know how to cook. But with actions like learn and teach, it's optional. You can say, I learn to speak English, or I learn how to speak English. You can say, I teach my children how to cook, or I teach my children to cook. But how to is more common in all cases.
I know how to do this thing.
Now I know how to deal with them.
Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to become a member, click the join button. And we'll see you next time.